Hey, Adrian,
Yeah.
have you heard of Kanye West?
Kanye. What?
Kanye West?
No, it's. I heard of Kanye West, not.
I don't care. I don't give shit. But did you hear his song? It's beautiful. I can play it.
He has a lot of songs.
This one. In the night, I hear them talk. The cold story ever told. Forever along this road, he lost his soul. The woman so heartless. How could you be so heartless? Hey, how could you be so heartless? Hey, how could you be so heartless? Okay, listen to this rapping. Like Sol Daguta. How could you be so cold as the street when it breezes, yo? Just remember that you're talking to me, yo. You need to watch what you're saying to me, yo. The twin two, all the things that we get into. And I know something she told me. When you go the thing, you told me. Show me that you don't know me. You got no friends, I got homies. In the end, it's still so lonely. In the night, I hear them talk. The whole story ever told. I have laway. He lost his soul. The woman so heartless. Hey, how could you be so heartless? Hey, how could you be so heartless? How could you be so Dr. Evil? You bring out the side of me that I don't know. I decided you are going to speak, so I will on the phone. Right, the meat for the things that's hot and cold. She won't stop, I won't mess my groove because I kissed the girl and I like it. In the night, I hear them talk. The cold story, I skip a verse. They're far along the road, they lost his soul. The woman so heartless. Hey, how could you be so heartless? Hey, how could you be so hot? Talking. Baby, let's just walk it out. Talking. They don't know what we've been through. In the night, I hear the talk, the whole story ever told. Somewhere far along the road, she lost her soul. The woman so heartless. Hey, how could you be so heartless? How could you be so heartless? Oi! How could you be so heartless? Putang ina! How could you be so heartless? Oi! How could you be so heartless? I'm talking to you! I'm asking you a question! How could you be so heartless? Why aren't you not answering me? How could you be so heartless? Ha? That's you! How could you be so heartless?
Wow, that was pretty good. I like that.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's my version.
Sounds good.
That's
like
my special version of Heartless by Kanye West. Thank you.
West.
Reese.
West. Whip.
Whip.